Jai Hind children, welcome in your maths class. In today's class we will do the multiplication of algebraic expression, and in your course it is multiplication, that is product of monomial with monomial. Okay, let's see how we will do. In the previous exercise, what we have done, we have completed the addition of the different terms as well as the subtraction of those terms. Now if you have to multiply, then how you will do? Like if you are having one algebraic expression 3x and one more is 4x square. There are two algebraic expression, and children, they are unlike, isn't it? They are not like, because one is having x and another one is having x square. It can contain x also, it can contain x square also, it can contain y also. So it may be any term which we can multiply. It's not like that ki only like terms will get multiplied. In multiplication and in division we will not see the like terms. मल्टीप्लाई करते वक्त और डिवाइड करते वक्त लाइक टर्म्स की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. ओनली इन केस ऑफ एडिशन वी नीड लाइक टर्म्स, एंड इन केस ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन वी नीड लाइक टर्म्स. So one expression is this is a monomial, another expression is this is also a monomial. Monomial क्यों है? Because it contains one term. Now how you will multiply? So 3x into 4x square y. Now children, you will multiply the coefficient with coefficient and variable with variable, same variable के साथ. So 3 will multiply with 4, so 3 into 4. Then what is the variable here? X. Is there any variable having x? Yes, x तो है, x square है, कोई बात नहीं, x है, ठीक है. Here also any term of x? Yes, x square is there, so put x square, write down x square. Then what is left? Y. Now we have written all the numbers one side and then variable side by side. 3 4s are 12. Now you can see base were same and you are multiplying exponent, children. Base were same, x and you are multiplying. So what will happen? Their power will be added. We will write the same base x, and 1 plus 2 is 3. So when you will multiply the same variable, their power will be added, and the last one is y. Y is alone, so there will be no change in y. Y अकेला है बेटा यहाँ पे. So the answer is 12x square x cube y. In this way we will do the multiplication. हम नंबर को नंबर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. We will take the variable with the same variable name and then we will multiply them whether their power is same or not. Then x into x square है तो x लिखेंगे बेटा and power will be added, and then whatever is left y और कुछ भी नहीं, जो भी उसमें होगा अगर वो अकेला है तो that will be written at the last. So in this way we will solve it. See the question number 6, second question we will do. Now I will follow a sequence in this exercise. Question number 2, minus 6x square, 6 cube, children, minus 6x cube is multiplied with 5x square. ठीक है? Let's see how we will solve this. See, we are having one monomial and another monomial. Two monomials we are having and we are multiplying them. हम उनको multiply कर रहे हैं. तो कैसे multiply करेंगे बेटा? Collect the coefficients. Coefficient is minus 6 into 5. ठीक है? Now it's the time of variable का multiplication. x cube into x cube लिख दिया बेटा, x square. Side by side we will write down the same variables. Now 6 5s are 30, so minus 30. x cube into x square. Base is same. Base क्या है? x. And we are multiplying them. हम उनको multiply कर रहे हैं. So their power will be added. 3 plus 2. Either write it directly or write it in the next step. ऐसे. ठीक है? So it will clear your concept कि 5 कैसे आया direct. So I have written here. Using the law of exponent. Base is same. You are multiplying. So the power will be added. Children, next question. Question number 4. Write down question number 4. Question number 4 is 2a square b cube. 2a square b cube is multiplied with minus 3a cube b. Minus 3a cube b. ठीक है, चलिए see the board. Now we will multiply the coefficient with the coefficient. 2 into minus 3. कोफिशिएंट को कोफिशिएंट से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. नाउ इट्स टर्म ऑफ वेरिएबल a स्क्वायर. सो राइट डाउन a स्क्वायर एंड a यहां से लीजिए बेटा. a क्यूब है ना, तो इंटू a क्यूब. देन a इज ओवर. देन b क्यूब लिखिए साइड बाय साइड. b क्यूब एंड हियर वन b इज देयर. सो राइट डाउन दिस b. सो आई एम राइटिंग द वेरिएबल side by side so that we can do it easily. 3 2 जा 6 minus 6 a square into a cube. Base is same. इन दोनों का base same है a. We are multiplying them so their power will be added. 2 plus 3. ठीक है. Into b. Base is same. Write down b. And their power will be added. No power means 1. So 3 plus 1. So minus 6. A to the power 5 and B to the power 4. This is the final answer. Okay. Next question. Next question is question number 6. Question number 6, children. Question number 6 is minus 3 by 4. Let me take my book and so that I can write it from there. Okay. minus 3 by 4 ab cube into minus 2 by 3 a square b to the power 4. Okay, चलिए बेटा, let's see the question. See this. Now how you will solve this? You are multiplying a monomial. ये एक monomial है with another monomial. ठीक है. So you will collect the what you will collect? You will collect the coefficient and you will multiply them. minus 3 by 4 into minus 2 by 3. ये साइड में हो जाएगा. ठीक है, ऐसे. Then into a लीजिए, पहला वेरिएबल a. Search for a. Yes, a square. Then b क्यूब है बेटा and then b to the power 4. Okay. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So in numerator minus 1 into minus 1 upon 2 into 1. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं बचा तो 1 ऐसे. Into a होगा a to the power 1 plus 2 into b 3 plus 4. Power will be added. Same variable है a into a. Base is same. Write down a. Add their power 1 plus 2. Base is same b. Write down b. Add their power 3 plus 4. So here minus 1 into 1. It will become 1 upon 2. 2 1s are 2. ये तो कोफिशिएंट के हो गए. And a to the power 3 and b to the power 7. This is the final answer. See the next question. Question number 8. Write down 8, children. I am also writing. I hope these questions are clear to you. We will pick the numbers first. We will multiply them. Then we will write the variables side by side and then we will multiply them. Question number 8. minus 13 by 5 a b square c, then into 7 by 3 a square b and then c square. Two monomials are there and that we have to multiply. So take the coefficient. Coefficient is minus 13 by 5 and here 7 by 3. So minus ऐसे, ठीक है. And then variable a और a स्क्वायर बेटा, a इंटू ए स्क्वायर. देन b का देखिए, b स्क्वायर इंटू b स्क्वायर इंटू b, एंड c इंटू c स्क्वायर, c इंटू c स्क्वायर. नाउ सॉल्व दिस. कैन वी सॉल्व इट? 13 है, 3 5 नो, 7 5 3 नो, वी कांट सॉल्व. So numerator will multiply with numerator, minus 13 into 7 divided by denominator will multiply with denominator. Then a to the power 1 plus 2 into b to the power 2 plus 1 into c to the power 1 plus 2. No variable, no power means 1. Exponent में कुछ नहीं है तो it means 1. 13 sevens are 91 and minus sign के साथ, divided by 5 threes are 15. Then a to the power 3, b to the power 3 and c to the power 3. This is the final answer. Okay. Question number 8 is completed. Now question number 10. Let's see question number 10, how to solve it. Write down question number 10, children. I hope these concepts are now clear to you. For addition we need like terms, but for multiplication we just start doing multiplication. कुछ नहीं सोचेंगे हम. We just start doing multiplication. Question number 10. Minus 3 by 14 x y to the power 4 into 7 by 6 x cube y. Yes, it's correct. Now we will multiply in the same way. There are two monomials. One is this monomial and another is this monomial. दो monomial हैं और उनको आपको क्या करना है? You have to multiply. So collect their coefficient. जो number हैं उनको पहले multiply कीजिए. Minus 3 by 14 into 7 by 6. 7 by 6. Now take the variable x. यहाँ से लीजिए x into x cube. Then take this variable y to the power 4 और यहाँ से भी y लीजिए y. Now can it be further simplified? Yes. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So minus 1 into 1 is left in numerator and 2 into 2 is left in denominator. Then into x1 plus 3, x or x cube, power 1 and 3 added into y 4 plus 1. Okay. No exponent means 1. Now 1 into 1 minus 1 upon 2 2s are 4. X to the power 4 and y to the power 5. In this way we can solve this question. Children, let's see the next question. Question number 12. Now question number 12 we will do. So write down question number 12. I hope the earlier question is clear to you. Collect the coefficient first, the numbers first, then variable x, x cube, then y to the power 4 and y side by side. Now simplify it. 1 minus 1 into 1 is left in numerator, 2 into 2 is left in denominator. X and x we are multiplying now, so their power will be added, 1 plus 3. Y and y also we are multiplying, y and y base same, so write down the same base and add their power. So in this way we can get the answer. Question number 12, children. Question number 12 I am writing from my book. 2a square b into minus 5ab square c into minus 6bc square. Children, 3 monomials are there. There are 3 monomials. Okay. 3 monomial है इसमें and we have to multiply them. So what we can multiply? Same process as for 2 binomial. Same process is here. we will collect their numbers, their coefficients first. We will collect their numeric coefficient 2, -5 and -6 and we will multiply them. Then we will collect the same variable. A है तो A को collect करेंगे, then B and then C. So now start 2 into -5 into -6 into -6. Then A square beta. So write down A square. Search for A. Yes, one A is there and A. No A is there. So it's over. Then B into B square and into B. And then the term of C into C square. C into C square. एक C यहाँ पर है, एक C square यहाँ पे. So all together we have collected side by side. 5 2s are 10 and 10 6s are 60. 5 2s are 10, ये 10 हो गया, 10 6s are 60, minus minus will become plus. ये हो जाएगा A to the power 2 and 1, 2 plus 1. Then B to the power 1 plus 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2 plus 1. And then into C to the power 1 plus 2. Okay. So it will be 60 A to the power 3 into B to the power 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4 into C to the power 3. So in this way we can write. You can write it as or 60 A cube B to the power 4 ऐसे. Multiply लगाइए चाहे नहीं. This is clear that these are in multiplication. These are in multiplication. Children, next question. Question is 14. Question number 14. Let's see how to solve question number 14. In question number 14, again 3 terms are there and we have to multiply them. So quickly write down. Write down question number 14. I hope your speed is matching with my speed. Actually, I have to rub the board and then I have to write it again. You are having the notebook. So now you have to start with the next line. Question number 14. Minus 3 by 5. Question number 14. Minus 3 by 5 S square T into 15 by 7 S T square U into 7 by 9 S U square. This is the question. Minus 3 by 5 S square T, 15 by 7 S T square U, 7 by 9 S U square. Okay. Now how to do this question? Let's see it, children. 3 monomials are there. In 12th question also there are 3 monomials. So what we have to do? We have to collect their coefficient, numeric coefficient हम collect करेंगे. We will multiply them and then we will collect the variables side by side to do the further operations. Now minus 3 by 5. So write down minus 3 by 5 into 15 by 7. 15 by 7 into 7 by 9. 7 by 9. Then S square. S square. So here it is S. Write down S and one more S. Okay. So all S we have collected. Then T and then T square and there is no T. So leave it. Then S is over, T is over. Now U. U and U square. So in this way we can solve. Now 5 3s are 15. 7 and 7 will get cancelled out and 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9 and 3 will also get cancelled with this. So nothing is left, only minus 1. In numerator minus 1 is left. In denominator also 1 is there, so that's why I am not writing. S children, S means 2 plus 1 plus 1. 2 plus 1 plus 1. Then T, 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 into U. 1, this is 1 plus 2. Now, answer is minus 1, S to the power 4, 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4. T to the power 3, and u to the power 3. This is the final answer. Okay. So in this way we can solve this. Now let's see the next question, children. Next question is question number 16. Now children, write down question number 16. AB square, I am also writing on the board. AB square, okay, one term is this, into, next is minus B square C, minus B square C, then minus A square C cube, and then one more term is there, minus 3ABC. Check it once, children. AB square, okay, see I have written on the board AB square into minus B square C minus A square C cube, and yes, perfectly, we have written it perfectly. After writing, check it once. Okay, now let's start multiplication. So no number is there, no coefficient is there, numeric coefficient, it means it's 1. No coefficient means it is 1. So we will write 1, and 1 into, here it will be minus 1, children. It will be minus 1. Then no number means 1 and along with minus sign. So minus 1. And then minus 3. All get multiplied with each other. Now collect the variable A. Any other A is there? Yes. Into A square. And one more A is there. Next is B. B square into B square, and one more B is there. Then it's term of C. C into C cube and into C. So we have collected all the numbers side by side. 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 3. And then we have collected all the variables side by side. A into A square into A. Okay? 3 जगह. Then B square and B. B square and B. And then C beta, C cube and C. C cube and C. So we have collected it. Now we will solve it. It is 1 into minus 1 will come. And then again, so 1, all will give you 1. Minus will become plus. 1 into 3 is 3, but minus sign is there. So 3 negative signs are there, so 1 minus will come. Minus will become positive, but this minus will be left. So 1 into 3, minus 3. Now A, here it will be no power, means 1 plus 2 plus 1. Their power will be added. Then it's turn of B, 2 plus 2 plus 1. And then next is C, 1 plus 3 plus 1. So all the powers will get added because having the same variable. Minus 3, A to the power 4, B to the power 5 and C to the power 4. 3 plus 1, no, not 4, 5. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. 2, 1, 3, 4. Yes, this is correct. Now let's see the next question. Question number 18 is there. It is a different type of question, children. I am doing it so that in the next class, we will start it from question number 19, then you will be able to do those questions also. So I am briefing you question number 18. Okay, write down question number 18. Children, quickly write down question number 18. See, multiply minus 2 by 3 A square B by 6 by 5 A cube B square and verify your result for A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. See children, what we have to do? We have to multiply. Earlier we are doing it now. But after that we have to put this A value as 2 and B value as 3, and we have to verify that whether our answer is correct or not. Means what we are doing basically, we are multiplying minus 2 by 3 A square B into 6 by 5 A cube B square, and whatever the answer will come, whatever the multiplication will come, we will put this A as 2 and B as 3 and we will match whether our answer is correct or not. So let's multiply it first. So if you will multiply minus 2 by 3 and 6 by 5 will multiply, minus 2 by 3 and 6 by 5. Multiply वैसे ही करना है बेटा, ठीक है? minus 2 by 3 into 6 by 5. Then a square into a cube, ठीक है? And b into b square. b into b square. Now when you will simplify this, 3 2 जा 6 हो जाएगा, 2 2 जा 4, minus 4 by 5, a to the power 2 plus 3 and b to the power 1 plus 2. So it will be equal to minus 4 by 5, a to the power 5 and b to the power 3. ये तो हमारा मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो गया. बट दे सेड की वेरीफाई, इसको वेरीफाई करो. क्या ये कैसे है बेटा? हाउ इट हैज कम? 2 बाई 3 इंटू ए स्क्वायर बी को जब आपने मल्टीप्लाई किया, 6 बाई 5 ए क्यूब बी स्क्वायर से जब आपने इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया तो क्या आंसर आएगा? क्या आंसर आएगा ना? ये हमको सॉल्व करना है. तो नाउ लेट्स सी इट. पुट द वैल्यू. 2 बाई 3, ए की वैल्यू है 2, ए की वैल्यू दी गई है 2, 2 को रखिए, 2 का स्क्वायर. b क्या है बेटा? 3. जहां a है वहां 2 रखना है, जहां b है देयर वी विल राइट 3. सो 3 इंटू 6 बाई 5. a क्या है बेटा? 2, 2 का पावर 3 एंड b क्या है? 3, 3 का पावर 2 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 4 बाई 5. व्हाट इज a? 2, 2 टू द पावर 5. व्हाट इज b? 3, 3 की पावर 3. ठीक है? Wherever a is there, I have put 2, and wherever we have seen b, I have put 3. Because they said कि आपका multiplication ये आया है तो verify करो. तो if it will be equal, LHS is equal to RHS, it means our answer is correct, our product is correct, children. अगर दोनों equal आ गए, it means कि हमने सही calculation की है. So now simplify it. minus 2 by 3, 2 का square is 4 into 3. Into 6 by 5, 2 का cube is 8 and 3 का square is 9. That is equal to minus 4 by 5. 2 to the power 5 is 32 and 3 का cube is 27. 3 का cube is 27. ठीक है? 2 to the power 5 कैसे निकला? 2 into 2 5 बार मल्टीप्लाई. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. ठीक है? 32. एंड 3 का क्यूब क्या है? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9 and 9 3 is 27. ऐसे 2 का स्क्वायर है 4. इस तरह से आपको करना है. नाउ यू विल सिंप्लीफाई इट. ये 3 से 3 कैंसिल हो गया एंड 5 विल नॉट सिंप्लीफाई. यहाँ पे भी 5 नीचे आ रहा है एंड हियर इट इज नेगेटिव, दिस इज ऑल्सो नेगेटिव. इतना तक तो हमारा ठीक है. 4 2 जा 8 एंड 8 into 6 and 8 9 जा 72. यहाँ पर आ रहा है बेटा. And here divided by minus रहेगा divided by 5 and here it will be equal to minus 4 into 32 into 27 divided by 5. So just solve it and you will get the answer. 48 है, 48 into 72 करेंगे. It's not visible ना? See, children, when you will multiply these two, 8 into 6 into 72 divided by 5, so you will get the same answer. Okay, you will get 3 4 5 6 minus 3 4 5 6 by 5. Okay, and in this side also you will get minus 3 4 5 6 by 5. So it means what? LHS is equal to RHS. Minus 3 4 5 6 by 5, that is equal to minus 3 4 5 6 by 5. It means what, children? Your LHS value, LHS is equal to RHS. It means hence verified. What you will write? Hence verified. Hence verified means your value, your answer is correct. If you are substituting the variable of a and b either before multiplication or after the multiplication, answer is matching. It means your multiplication which you have done right now, it is correct. This is called as verification. Verify आपका सही है या नहीं. Okay. So till now we have completed. In the next class we will do the next question of 6B exercise. Children, complete till here and then we will do the next question. Take care, children. Till then, bye bye.